Hello guys, welcome back to my channel DI Tech Creator. Guys, today's in this video I'm going to repair this laptop. You can see guys, this is the HP ProBook. Model is ProBook 4410S. So guys, let's check what is the problem. You can see guys, this laptop is not power on, so I will plug the adapter cable. Now the laptop is power on. That means guys, this laptop is not power on with battery. You can see this is the battery. So guys, how to fix this problem, how to repair this problem, I will show you in this video. So guys, if you unplug this adapter line, the laptop is automatically shut down. You can see guys. So I will fix this problem. So guys, let's watch the full video. You can see here guys, the laptop battery is not charging. That's why the laptop is shut down automatically if you unplug the adapter line. So remove the battery. Guys, this is the new battery. You can see guys. You can see guys, it's the same. So let's check again. This is the new laptop battery. You can see guys, the laptop battery is charging. So I will leave 10 minutes. Wait. Now the battery is charging. You can see here guys. So guys, now you can check the battery percentage. So guys, let's see 19%. So guys, and now let's remove the remove this adapter cable. You can see guys. You can see 20%. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment and share. If you new in my channel, so subscribe this channel. So guys, sometimes it is happen with due to software problem. So then go to the device manager and battery, uninstall this device and this also, and then restart your laptop. Then you will be get rid of this problem from this problem. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, like, comment and share.